Section 1. General Awareness. A. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? A. C.V. Raman. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Amartya Sen. D. Mother Teresa. Answer B. Rabindranath Tagore. Though the largest planet in the solar system is A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer C. Jupiter. Theme. In which year did India gain independence? A. 1945. B. 1950. C. 1947. D. 1935. Answer C. 1947. 4. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Pratibha Patil. D. Sushma Swaraj. Answer A. Indira Gandhi. 5. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Euro. B. Dollar. C. Pound sterling. D. Yen. Answer C. Pound sterling. Chair. The first Indian satellite launched into space was A. INSATAK. B. Aryabhat. C. Bhaskar. D. Rohini. Answer B. Aryabhat. 7. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? A. Akbar. B. Aurangzeb. C. Shah Jahan. D. Jahangir. Answer C. Shah Jahan. 8. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Vikram Sarabhai. B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Homi Bhabha. D. Rakesh Sharma. Answer B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. No. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Canberra. C. Melbourne. D. Brisbane. Answer B. Canberra. Thus, the first war of Indian independence was in A. 1857. B. 1919. C. 1942. D. 1764. Answer A. 1857. 11. The largest continent in the world is A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. South America. Answer B. Asia. 12. The writer of the national anthem of India is A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer B. Rabindranath Tagore. 13. What is the full form of GDP? A. Gross Domestic Production. B. Gross Domestic Product. C. General Development Plan. D. Growth Development Process. Answer B. Gross Domestic Product. 14. The famous Sun Temple is located in A. Bhubaneswar. B. Puri. C. Konark. D. Cuttack. Answer C. Konark. 15. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? A. 1885. B. 1905. C. 1920. D. 1947. Answer A. 1885. Yojak Chin, Yojak Chin, Yojak Chin. Section 2. General English. 16. Choose the correct synonym of enormous. A. Small. B. Huge. C. Tiny. D. Weak. Answer B. Huge. 17. What is the antonym of weak? A. Strong. B. Fragile. C. Delicate. D. Light. Answer A. Strong. 18. Fill in the blank. She is very interested music. A. On. B. At. C. In. D. Off. Answer C. In. 19. Identify the correctly spelled word. A. Committee. B. Committee. C. Commit. D. Committee. Answer B. Committee. Please choose the correct sentence. A. He don't know the answer. B. He doesn't know the answer. C. He doesn't knew the answer. D. He not know the answer. Answer B. He doesn't know the answer. 21. Convert into passive voice. She wrote a book. A book was written by her. B. A book is written by her. C. A book has been written by her. D. A book writes by her. Answer A book was written by her. Bias. Find the correct word to complete the analogy. Doctor, hospital teacher. A. Office. B. School. C. Market. D. Library. Answer B. School. 23. Identify the adverb in the sentence. He drives carefully. A. He. B. Drives. C. Carefully. D. None of these. Answer C. Carefully. 24. Choose the correct preposition. She is good mathematics. A. On. B. At. C. Off. D. In. Answer B. At. 25. Choose the correct indirect speech of she said I am tired. A. She said she is tired. B. She said that she was tired. C. She said that I am tired. D. She said that she will be tired. Answer B. She said that she was tired. 26. What is the plural of analysis? A. Analyses. B. Analysis. C. Analyses. D. Analyses. Answer A. Analyses. 27. Choose the correct article. He is honest person. A. B. An. C. The. D. No article needed. Answer B. An. 28. The past tense of sing is A. Sung. B. Sung. C. Singing. D. Sings. Answer A. Sung. 29. What is the meaning of the idiom hit the sack? A. Go to sleep. B. Hit something. C. Start working. D. Win a prize. Answer A. Go to sleep. 30. Choose the correct word. He has been working here 2 years. A. Since. B. For. C. At. D. By. Answer B. For. Section 1.